How to view email password in your Outlook. So first of all, if you're looking for the repair option, that has pretty much just been removed because of security reasons. People will probably be able to access without too much security, so it's been removed for security reasons. Now you only have a few options left to technically get yourself your password. So first of all, if your password has been saved, you can go over here to the top right of your browser, the settings and more options. You can go ahead here to your passwords. You're gonna go ahead to your Outlook website here in the Microsoft Password Manager, and just go ahead and open your Outlook here, and you should be able to see your password, of course, if you have saved it. If not, your last option is to just go ahead and change your password. And if it's available for you, you should be able to log in or pass verification and security if you have other verification methods that doesn't involve using your old password or your current password, of course. So you can do this by going here to your account manager in the top right, and then press on your Microsoft account. So once you do that, just go ahead to your account over here, and you should be able to see the change password option. Just go ahead and press that option, and you can go ahead and change your password. Usually you don't really need to put a verification since you're already logged into your account, but if so, you can go ahead and log in using your PIN or whatever security method that you added in the first place. So from now on, you can just go ahead and put in a new password, and then you enter that new password, and technically you'll pretty much know your password. So make sure you save this in your notes or something, or just save it in your browser, so that next time you'll be able to remember or get your password if you have a hard time remembering what it was. But that's pretty much one way you can get or save your password or remember your password in your Outlook. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.